Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So again, I'm working on a 2021 Grand Design Reflection. It's a 303 RLS, and Terry's back here, and he's getting ready to replace. We actually lucked out and have some of the sheet metal here to replace this. The J-wrap where it's damaged on both sides. This side's not as bad as the other side, but this side's really worse. But what we want to show you is that all the screws are broken loose, and that the wall is broken loose. And you can see how much it's shifted off of the alignment. So all this wall should be clear out here. And again, there's where the screws are broken. And so let me hide the license plate for a second. But you can see where the metal is getting damaged. You can see how much it bends from it wandering back and forth. And same thing on this side, it broke off all the screws. So anyways, what I want to show you is not only does it damage that, but this whole ass end of this wall is shifting back and forth. So let's go into the inside for a second. And I was just in here with Terry. And so another issue is, he's got a rear couch back here, and the rear couch is actually a loose floating couch. And when you look back down here, there's a rail. There's a rail that's down here. And so let's see if the camera will zoom in correctly. It won't. But there's a rail that's down here that's a piece of angle. And that angle is basically, connected to the back wall and connected to the floor. So make sure that as time goes that you're checking that as well, because there's not really much that angle bracket. I mean, it's a real tiny angle bracket that's holding that wall to the floor surface. So when that comes loose, and it may be from the couch banging against the wall and causing it, and you can see all the rub marks on the wall right here from the material. It could be from the couch like banging and moving and sliding. We actually pulled it out a little bit and pushed it back, so it's a free floating couch. So anyways, stay tuned for more. We're gonna get this bad boy fixed and put back together, and then like I said, we believe we got some J metal for it, so we're gonna get some new pieces put on. And that's for this side that broke loose. I want to show you another older one. Here's a Solitude, and we already did a repair to the Solitude a while back. Whoops. The Solitude did the same thing, so it's been a while now. It's been over a year, but you can see the wrinkle in this metal where it's pulled itself loose. So his rear wall was secured on this one side. The back may be broken loose too, or the opposite side may be broken. But these coaches are so long from the ass end to here that it's causing it to walk. And same thing with this one. This is not as long as this one, but it's still a huge distance from here to there. And it also could be in case for some reason the slide out ever got out of adjustment, but this one we know is just from the wall blocking and moving. So anyway, stay tuned for more, and thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist. Have a great day.